Guys, so it's official. I officially traded my car for this one. Let me know what you think of it. Listen, we already got some mod for this thing, and yeah, let me show you guys. Look, it already has wheels, already on coilover, Brembo brakes. Already got some stuff ready for the car. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We already got. Damn, we got everything. Is that a Tommy dog? Yes, that's 2 Tommy dog. Let me show you around since I didn't do that before. By the way, that noise is the AC on. It's pretty hot if you ask me. So yeah, you guys dig the BBS rims? It looks good. We already got the 360 camera mounted, so we're gonna get some footage of that in a minute. But yeah, like I said, there's already some modification right here, and the interior pretty neat. 3.5 hours later, I got the GoPro mounted on back again, and I got, hold up, and watch, I got the first person view, and let's go. Let's see if we can catch up. Things low. Just cruising.
Yo, that's super low, bro.
Yeah, I know. The handles though. Catch them up real quick. Like it's over there. What the fuck? The shout out to that dude. Thank you so much. We're getting escorted out, bro. You guys have it, Evo 10 for you guys. Yes, sir. So this thing is ready for some more power, but and obviously some cosmetic stuff too. Exhaust system and a Tommy dog, also a lip, I think side skirt, a new dog view spoiler, and yeah. So this thing is about to be good. I like it. By the way, that's that AC on. Jeez. Make sure you guys leave a like on it. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe for more. And yeah, peace out to the next one.